Did you know that older Skymark units can be surprisingly inefficient and noisy? As they age, these systems become more prone to breakdowns, leaving you with unexpected repair bills and discomfort. The R22 refrigerant used in these units is not only costly but increasingly more challenging to find since being phased out. This scarcity can lead to longer repair times and higher expenses. The heat exchanger in these aging units is also more prone to receiving a red tag due to carbon monoxide leaks, leaving you without an HVAC unit when you need it the most. Home Trade Standard Skymark Refurbishment and Replacement Solutions offer custom services that fit your condo's unique needs. These systems are quieter and come with better warranties, ensuring peace of mind. For replacements, be prepared for a 6 to 8 week lead time for custom parts. Call us today for consultations on your Skymark refurbishment and replacement needs. We serve all condos in the Greater Toronto area. While updated ventilation and electrical work add complexity to the installation process, our team of experts specialize in custom solutions to ensure there is no need for extensive renovations when upgrading your Skymark system. Installation typically takes 2 days and costs between $3,000 to $7,000 for refurbished units, and $14,000 to $17,000 for brand new Skymark replacement systems. Understanding these factors can help you plan effectively for a seamless transition. Avoid peak season failures by acting now. Replacement costs have risen since 2021 and may continue to increase, making early action a smart financial decision. New systems offer better reliability and energy savings. Contact us today for tailored solutions and flexible warranties to suit your needs in the Greater Toronto area.